In this video, I will teach you how to use text anchors in Davinci Resolve. In particular, I will show how they can be used for precise positioning of text nodes. We will create a static scene that you can see on the screen. This is a great exercise for people who want to get better understanding of how nodes really work. Understanding isolated concept like this is a prerequisite for mastering motion graphics with Davinci Resolve Fusion. First, we need to create a background node. It is available on the toolbar. I want to be sure that the node appears in the left part of the node editor. I click on the grid and then select the background node on the toolbar. I set the background color to cyan, which is the combination of green and blue. Then I create a text node. It is also available on the toolbar. The merge node is added automatically. I rearrange the nodes to make the graph look cleaner. Now we need to add a media out node. It is not available on the toolbar. I select the merge node so that the newly added media out node gets automatically connected to it. I press Shift space, type MO, and press Enter. The media out node appears on the screen. I press 2 on my keyboard and the scene gets rendered on the viewer. Our layout consists of 9 text labels. I make enough room for these nodes on our graph. I select the text and merge nodes and press Ctrl-C. I press Ctrl-V to paste the copied nodes. I press the Shift button when inserting the nodes into the graph. I repeat this procedure 7 more times. I set the text of the text nodes to top left, top right, left center, right, bottom left, bottom, and bottom right. I manually move the text nodes in their right positions. This may be okay for some tasks, but many advanced animations require precision, so we will specify the layout center X and Y for each of the text nodes. The origin of the coordinate space in Fusion is in the bottom left corner of a frame. The coordinates are normalized to the range 0 to 1, so the bottom left corner is 0, 0, and the top right corner is 1, 1. As you can see, we have a problem with our text nodes. They do not fit into the frame. Simply tweaking the layout center X and Y is not going to work. We need to adjust the horizontal and vertical anchors of our text nodes. Anchors are represented with numbers -1, 0, and 1, which correspond to the top, center, and bottom positions in vertical direction and the left, center, and right positions in the horizontal direction. There are 9 possible combinations in total. The text nodes still do not fully fit inside the frame. This is a font-dependent issue. With some fonts, it may be more noticeable than with the others. We can adjust the merge node size property. This will effectively scale our text nodes. Let's set it to 0.9. Our scene is complete. Precise positioning of nodes in Fusion may be tricky, but it is certainly possible. In the next video, we will do this with a simple Python script. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.